Gotta remember, stay strapped or get clapped. Getting risky. Oh, there we go. All right, now we're good. What's up, everyone? Going to ride at Trey's house. Gonna be Trey, Udiel, myself, Jeremy, and Jesse. I don't think anybody else is coming, but we'll see. I'm sure Jeremy will show up in his little Honda Ridgeline, and he's still gonna call it a truck, even though we know it's not a truck. Just a sweet Honda Odyssey minivan. It's a front-wheel drive truck. Who does that? But yeah, I don't know if they groomed the track or not. Hopefully they did. I still got a blown out knee. Probably be the slowest one there. And it's just gonna be like that. I mean, I've rode twice in the past like 3 months. Finally got back from that Army school and actually get to ride again. El Paso's starting to open up after the whole virus and stuff. We can hang out in groups of 10. Still got a social distance. And should be a good time. We'll see though. Got the 250. Haven't even rode the 450 in probably like 6 months, honestly. Normally I only take it out to the dunes. I don't even know why I still have that bike. I should probably just sell it. It is a Honda, right? In the 2012. But I mean, that thing's prime. It's got a lot of stuff done to it. But anyways, we'll get there and let's say hey to everyone and probably make fun of Jeremy because he loves it. All right, let's go. Oh shit! The GoPro for the vlog? Yeah! I guess we're riding at 8. Rip it at 8. Alright, we're out here. Rode a couple laps, done a couple of sessions. I think I'm straight. But it's pretty nice. Tracks got watered. Out here killing it. Try to get some footage and make a little video. Make it real cringy. Best low quality videos around. Alright, let's get it.
What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just Josh, I'm spin this, they locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. In the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put that bitch in the zone. This shit sound like an intro song, give me that tempo. So cool, he'll with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the bill, and I move like a dime. Vincenzo's. My amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Hair bitch, and she look like she go. She do. My hero, myself, can't hurt my ego. She hurt my deep stroke. She that babe, doesn't hurt my deep though. My free hoe, my dust, my lingo. Back then was a amigo. In the gym tryna walk my bingo. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little on cam, but she don't put on the ground. Little boys tryna on the ground. I can't shoot on the ground. It's hot, hit the switch on the band. This for my head. Feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. It just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stand reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Yelling evolving is very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section. Got a chance at present. I'm drinking water and water protection. A career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. You call it and relax. I can't PG, we getting some traction. I'm digging her. I got a sermon. Gotta get it up. That's my type of strategy. My type of shit. Got my own, and I'm about
He did it. You good? Just breathe. Lay on your back. Lay on your back. You're good. You're good. Keep your arms up. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Keep his head steady. Yeah.
You're good. You almost had it. You needed a little more.
I don't even remember.
Just breathe in your nose, out your mouth.
Just breathe.
Okay.
We're here for you.
There you go. You're getting your breath back. You're good. You just went over the bars a
Can
little.
you wiggle your toes? Everything?
Yeah. Yeah, he just knocked the air out of him. He just went over the bars. You went to the left side, I think, a little too much, and it bucked you.
I don't even remember.
Dude, your visor popped off. That magnet worked. It's pretty legit.
Alright, I'm going to take off your helmet slowly. Is my bike okay? Yeah, it's good.
Dude, look how far you landed.
I think you took the
brunt of the landing. That was pretty awesome. I gave it to you.
Yeah, that was pretty sick. I know. I think it's, at least he's got the footage of it.
Dude, I got that in like 240 frames a second. Your shoulders. Oh, this whole thing's magnetic? That's pretty awesome. I didn't know it was magnetic on the sides too. Can you get up? You need help? Okay.
It's weird, yeah. Yeah, look at where the jump is.
It's a lot further once you hit it, isn't it? Like when you go on it, it definitely, the gap gets bigger when you hit it. You good? Yeah, both wheels hit it. Hit the lip. Hey, at least you went for it though.
Heal some quick clap.
Mmm. Juicy. Sponsored by Honda.
Shout out Honda.
Shout out to Honda for the lungs. Dude.
That's like a whole track.
He groomed the whole track with his body.
Hey, he did the lap time in 30 seconds.
New fastest lap at Trace.
Jeremy holds the new record.
Dude, he literally landed right there. This is his case. And he landed way down there.
Oh my
Straight
God.
dirt work screwed it.
I wonder where Mike landed.
So he landed right here, or cased it right here.
And that must be the front tire right here.
Came all the way down. Where did he land? Like,
So his bike was backwards right here.
his bike was right here.
Not right here.
Right here.
Where you're at. This is where the shit whipping happened.
this is where the hurricane started. And then his body was right here. Look at
It's over there.
Oh my god, it's shit.
The bike was right here.
That's the bike. Oh my god.
That's his back marks.
Jesus. Dude, that's so far.
That's 75 for sure.
Dude, we need to get a tape measure. You got a tape measure?
I don't think the tape measure is long enough.
You do too. The fact that we have to do... Seriously, go get a tape measure. Let's measure this.
We're saying it's 75 feet. Let's see.
Dude.
From the lip all the way over here, that's a long ride.
I've never seen someone fly so far off.
and then like for
The fact that his
like
bike
20
landed
yards
there
from
and then
the
went
right
another like 25 feet or more. That's awesome. That was amazing. All right, all wrapped up with riding. Jeremy wadded it pretty good. That was pretty epic. He just didn't quite give it enough. And that front tire and that back tire clipped and he was done. Straight KO'd. But the only reason he went back out to hit it is because I went and got footage for the third moto that we rode, I guess. And I got footage, but then I went and hopped on my bike, and when they were all done, I kept riding, and then a lot of us haven't hit a lot of the jumps there. They're kind of sketchy, and the track is just gnarly. It's like sand, and it's just crazy. So I decided to actually go out and I actually hit it. So I was hitting it, hit it twice, I think, and then I pulled off because I got tired. Well, Jeremy had to go hit it because I hit it, and we tried to give him advice how fast to hit it. And then Trey went out on his bike and tested like how fast you need to go, kind of give him an idea. he went for it on his 4th roll and came up a little short. That was epic. I think he's okay. Busted his shoulder a little bit. I think it's just sore. He said his back's a little sore, coughed up a little blood, but that's just due to some internal trauma probably from his lungs. Nothing extreme, nothing that the hospital could do. So he's feeling all right. He'll be sore for a few days, but that was pretty gnarly. He got whipped pretty good there. That was next level. Always a good time though. Thanks for the people that watched the video. All 5 of you. You guys are great. And until next time, Dysfunctional Moto is out. Don't case doubles.